To clean up storage on Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Scroll down looking for the storage section and open it. Now inside we can activate the store manager, which helps you free up storage space. Storage manager also removes backed up photos and videos from your device. You can activate that option if you like, and additionally if we go back we'll be able to see all of the categories of files on our device, like apps, games, videos, images, audio, documents, and other. There's also trash, and you can select each of those sections and pick which things you want to remove. For example, if we move to the games, we can see all of the games. We can select one of them, and then there will be option to delete it. But in this case, as you can see, I don't have that option. Let's try something else. Okay, so we don't have this option inside, which means we need to actually find those manually again, which is kind of stupid, but then we can click on app info and uninstall those unwanted apps. And that is basically everything.